15 foods to help you live to 100 and why you should eat them. Today, living a long, healthy life is a goal for many, and while genetics certainly play a role in longevity, your diet can significantly influence how long you live and how well you age. Nutrition experts have identified certain foods that promote not just longer life, but also better quality of life as you age. These foods are packed with essential nutrients that help prevent age-related diseases, support physical and mental health, and provide the body with the building blocks it needs to maintain energy and vitality well into old age. In this article, we will explore 15 foods that can help you live to 100, explain how they contribute to health and longevity, and offer tips for incorporating them into your daily diet. 1. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. Leafy greens are often called superfoods because of their incredibly high nutrient density. They are rich in vitamins A, C, K, and E, as well as essential minerals like calcium, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining bone health, reducing inflammation, and supporting heart health, key factors in longevity. The fiber in leafy greens helps maintain a healthy digestive system, while the antioxidants help protect cells from damage caused by oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to aging and chronic diseases. Studies have shown that people who consume leafy greens regularly have a reduced risk of heart disease, cancer, and cognitive decline, all of which can shorten lifespan. Adding a handful of spinach to your smoothie or enjoying a kale salad with your meals can give your body a powerful dose of longevity-boosting nutrients. 2. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Berries, especially blueberries, are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their deep colors and protect the body from free radical damage. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to cell damage and contributing to aging and chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. Berries are also high in fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and supports gut health. The antioxidants in berries have been shown to improve brain function, memory, and cognitive performance, key factors in maintaining mental sharpness as you age. Regular consumption of berries can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and help you maintain a healthy brain well into old age. A bowl of mixed berries as a snack or topping for yogurt is an easy and delicious way to enjoy these health benefits. 3. Nuts, almonds, walnuts, and pistachios. Nuts are an excellent source of heart-healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them a staple in many longevity-focused diets. Walnuts, in particular, are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and ability to reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative damage and supports skin health as you age. Studies have shown that people who regularly consume nuts have lower rates of heart disease, improved cholesterol levels, and a reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber in nuts also helps with weight management, which is essential for maintaining overall health as you age. Incorporating a handful of nuts into your daily diet can provide long-lasting health benefits and promote longevity. 4. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease triglycerides, factors that contribute to a lower risk of heart disease, which is a leading cause of death worldwide. The high levels of DHA and EPA, types of omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish also support cognitive function and may reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Consuming fatty fish 2 to 3 times a week has been linked to improved brain health and a longer life expectancy. Grilling or baking fish with olive oil and herbs is a simple way to enjoy this longevity-boosting food. 5. Olive oil. Olive oil is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, which is one of the healthiest diets in the world and has been linked to increased life expectancy. Extra virgin olive oil is high in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, particularly oleocanthal, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is one of the leading contributors to many age-related diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. The heart-healthy fats in olive oil help lower LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, and increase HDL cholesterol, good cholesterol, promoting better cardiovascular health. Incorporating olive oil into your diet by using it as a salad dressing, drizzling it over vegetables, or using it for cooking can significantly reduce your risk of chronic diseases and support healthy aging. 6. Legumes, lentils, chickpeas, and black beans. Legumes are an excellent source of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients like iron, folate, and magnesium. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining heart health, reducing the risk of diabetes, and supporting healthy digestion. The fiber in legumes helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for preventing type 2 diabetes, while also promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Regular consumption of legumes has been linked to lower rates of heart disease, improved blood pressure, and a reduced risk of cancer. In many of the world's blue zones, regions where people live significantly longer than average, legumes are a dietary staple. Incorporating legumes into soups, salads, or stews is an easy and nutritious way to add longevity-promoting foods to your meals. 7. Garlic. Garlic is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. It contains compounds like allicin, which have been shown to lower cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and prevent the formation of blood clots, key factors in preventing heart disease. Garlic also has antimicrobial properties, which help fight off infections and support overall immune health as you age. Research suggests that regular consumption of garlic may help reduce the risk of developing chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease, contributing to a longer life expectancy. Adding fresh garlic to your cooking can enhance flavor while providing significant health benefits. 8. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, which have been shown to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and protect the heart. Catechins also help prevent cell damage caused by oxidative stress, which can lead to cancer and other chronic diseases. Studies have shown that people who drink green tea regularly have lower rates of cardiovascular disease and a reduced risk of developing certain types of cancer, including breast and prostate cancer. Green tea also supports brain health by improving cognitive function and reducing the risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. Sipping on a cup of green tea daily can provide powerful anti-aging benefits and support a long, healthy life. 9. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a nutrient-dense food packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, particularly beta-carotene, which is a precursor to vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a key role in maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function, all of which are important for aging well. Sweet potatoes have a low glycemic index, meaning they help regulate blood sugar levels and provide sustained energy. Their high fiber content also promotes digestive health and helps maintain a healthy weight. Regular consumption of sweet potatoes has been linked to lower rates of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer, making them a valuable addition to a longevity-focused diet. 10. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, particularly varieties with at least 70% cocoa, is rich in antioxidants called flavonoids, which help improve heart health by lowering blood pressure and increasing blood flow to the heart and brain. These antioxidants also protect cells from oxidative damage and reduce inflammation, which can help prevent chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. In addition to its heart-healthy benefits, dark chocolate has been shown to improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Enjoying a small piece of dark chocolate as a treat can satisfy your sweet tooth while providing valuable health benefits. 11. Avocados. Avocados are a rich source of monounsaturated fats, which are known for their heart-protective properties. These healthy fats help reduce LDL cholesterol and increase HDL cholesterol, improving overall cardiovascular health. Avocados are also high in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and prevent hypertension. In addition to their heart benefits, avocados are packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that support healthy skin, digestion, and immune function. Their nutrient density makes them a valuable food for promoting longevity and maintaining health as you age. Adding avocado to your salads, sandwiches, or smoothies can provide a delicious way to enjoy these health benefits. 12. Broccoli. Broccoli is one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables, providing a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and longevity. It is particularly high in vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber, all of which play a role in maintaining bone health, reducing inflammation, and supporting the immune system. Broccoli also contains sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to have anti-cancer properties by helping to detoxify harmful substances in the body. Regular consumption of broccoli has been linked to a reduced risk of cancer, heart disease, and age-related cognitive decline. Steaming or roasting broccoli is a simple way to incorporate this superfood into your diet. 13. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that has been shown to reduce the risk of cancer, particularly prostate cancer, as well as heart disease. Lycopene also helps protect the skin from UV damage, which is important for preventing premature aging and maintaining skin health. Tomatoes are also high in vitamin C and potassium, both of which support heart health and immune function. Including tomatoes in your daily diet, whether fresh in salads or cooked in sauces, can provide a powerful boost to your health and longevity. 14. Oats. Oats are an excellent source of fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which helps reduce cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Fiber also supports healthy digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. In addition to their heart-healthy benefits, oats are rich in antioxidants that protect cells from oxidative damage and reduce inflammation. Regular consumption of oats has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease and improved overall health. Starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal can provide sustained energy and long-term health benefits. 15. Turmeric. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Its active compound, curcumin, has been shown to reduce inflammation, improve brain function, and lower the risk of heart disease and cancer. Chronic inflammation is a key contributor to many age-related diseases, and turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties make it a valuable addition to a longevity-focused diet. Turmeric also supports joint health, making it particularly beneficial for older adults who may experience arthritis or other joint-related issues. Adding turmeric to your cooking or drinking turmeric tea can provide a natural way to reduce inflammation and support overall health as you age.